time to kill Jandam or see a Kujandam. Na Ghana for who's and Ukraine between that Ghana. NPP for Makacham party no Jandam party.
Answer and same ambulance be air trend. I just say Aboboyaa and branded in the form of ambulance. Air trendy. Idia Edaso His Excellency John Dwayne Mahama. As an ambulance or Diabego or my concrete Ganemo. And like every tell us there be on to home NPP from Jandam at Tronada and say or may in fact. Or Okatakyie Afrifa mensa boots Eddie Abe CNN like every tell I expose Okatakyie Afrifa mensa. Was I expose NPP for Omo Jandam? Omo ye ewo Ghana ha. Aha you Penyah block media message also any demo. Obe like video and down my subscribe button and click the notification icon for latest updates. Na be chere wadwe ama me ewo comment section. Any demo bas wa no share video na ma unia so enya bi ahwe no ate no kre no. Eto wi anansen mu ambulance be air trend. Ambulance na air trend no. Aboboyaa and branding in a form of ambulance. I just say NDC ni youth organizer or Tamale. Yusuf Onana according to him no. O trim say Mahama and the ambulance we aba Ghana has na in the video kana order Mahama say.
Looking at things, when you see the background, you can see that we have health emergency ambulances. This is a special one for our, president. You know, president, he has been saying that he like people health more than everything in this world. And as far as he's coming power and he has come power, he's going to do a lot. This is just the beginning. This is the health that he has lobbied from the UN, so that in terms of health and everything that you do, you have to be healthy. So John is bringing us small cars so that they can, be in the villages to help pregnancy women and emergency cases. That's why these small cars are coming. They are about 7,000 each constituency, 7,000, and this is just the beginning. Health is everything. We thank you, our president John Dramani Mahama, lovely one. See next coming.
And in this particular video, Anna Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu as every time I record the show so for the records. And Okuju and say mu etirim say enti to about Mahama ama obeye ne makese ambulance you know dey buy
beye nyoma kese yes ani ebusa say nyoma kese benya no am so nyoma ma no wo research enti okufo do nyoma wo ye no ba no ba be hyem kina no ma bie mu amemwa afi me da sore ye nra me masi na the frame from America say catch nyoma ma say gem wo ye na me say ade wo ye dey what so wakwasisa ayi ntubaka na dube 11 na mfro na mse ayi me dey say musua de ni ase odwoma ama de ambulance bi aba na ambulance no no de ayarefo bebu na mse hada yi ayarefo be ya momfa ayidoma ama new ambulance no momfa nkyere Ghana fo na yehwe bi yehwe bi resetting we resetting we do the aba for chips company young fa we mfa nipa we why bakwin go we na branche no gina wa say you won wo kan wo aka drama wo say ya na no wo atwa na hani o ayi afifim na wo 55 no wo aka drama say ya branche na ni gi ade wo kan fo Aboboyaa nyoma kesi nyoma be ye wo ya ma ye eni Aboboyaa e wa bra jo Mahama nim say so obi yare ne ne ko hospital ya ka say ambulance it comes with certain equipment and best sustain nipa no and so when on dey my and more for any age because the I keep on telling you that the level of thinking of the people. Look at this gentleman. Then he idea. Say, what will be that? So instead of finding lasting solutions to issues, knee-jerk reaction, getting, no one getting, tan. Now I'm for any idea. It will gentlemen you know we. Put here the worker will praise your mama because your mama the Aboboyaa Ambulance. I want to believe so we need your mama na be. Ah. Now we generate ya dey ya. Any government. Aboboyaa government. You know, I do serious issue about young serious. Aboboyaa. And I say yeah. Why are they? You only me Number kind, I see you don't know money, mama. 1 year when you are a fine gentleman. Then one member we're getting kitting. Wait, and go for us when you're so Aboboyaa. When it comes to serious nations, we will be another way too much. And you're my ambulance, who I said to me, surviving the balance and the hospital. Look at the gentleman who is happy. You can't wait to see us where you're arrogant. So it's not what I'm saying, it's what they are listening to. Because the people cannot, they cannot comprehend, they cannot understand what is going on around them. They settle for less. The more victimization is upon their back, the more foolish they become. The more they settle for less. In the words of culture. It's the Aboboyaa government. Mr. President, why are you here? Mr. President, why are you here? Now, is a greater way to say lies can bring MPP to government. Now, you're in the lies in there. When the lies in there, Aboboyaa what they are here, also lies. They're the lies. Abobo, you're sorry way. Now, if you call a year the issues of today, General.
I see the amount for now. AD Mahama for a air church Mahama's His Excellency. It's a research now can any Sebi when this was ambulance we plan the Ghana for the year. Odo man Koyechi. And like Kevin tell us there be. Adia Okatakyie Afrifa and NPP for communicators Nian. A jandam. Dirty lies, dirty politics, and only about this time around there. They will kill jandam. The Kevin Taylor, arbitrator and Semu ambulance no nipa kra o mo de baye party club de baye date ya party eba Ghana ha na in fact wa kele MP before o mo jandam.
Time to kill jandam or see ku jandam na Ghana for hu se no kra ne betumi akyekyere Ghana NPP for makacham party no jandam party. Now one story way say a movie around enkofo ka say John Mahama MP NDC for omakokra the ambulance biaba tricycles is jandam. Sansem no mokeka no Twitter, omokeka no TikTok, yaw, pain. Omujin say Jimmy ye. Say ende obehwe social media, obeko TikTok, obeko bebia na MPP4 ambulance bi tricycles. And I say ambulance bi na tricycle and 93 almost say ambulance. Almost say oh ambulance when John Mahama diaba Ghana for the Jimmy mato MPP omoboa jandam. Now let's break this down. Na Ghana for ehu no kre no. If you say unim sa MPP we say we are no be call the adwuma be fo amaye. Say jandam any atro no be call the job will be easy for us and we will be doing such an easy job. NDC will be in power for 50 years. If this is how the MPP are going to go there, then people like us we are happy. Because you see se party vi nyana adwo so be kan okre actually base emom de nokre actually Ghana for momo hu nokre there, then people like us and the NDC will be in power for 50 years. Now let's take care of business. Mr. P, do you have publications about this where they are trying to put it out there? You can give me anything from any of their communicators, any of their platforms, a screenshot or something. Mr. P, just give me something. I need to show that to Ghanaians, then we will speak on where this story is actually coming from, because we need to fact check the system. So team, can you get me, I want a screenshot. I just want somebody or a platform that has published that fake news. I just want to use that as the base to break down the jandam. If we say Ghana for whom baby a trony free bar and they are sorry MPP for nam TikTok and nam Facebook almost say John Mahama kofa tricycles biaba say ambulance. So who tie me nda a tro. And I'm not just going to say a tro. I am going to give you the facts. So obi betna TikTok, obi betna Facebook, obi ba Facebook be trust side and obi say oh facts no way. It's very important. Now all the way back in 2021. 2021, where graphic online, where daily graphic. And when ambulance needs one, and no NPP for and the omundam say, oh, Maton Kwasiaba, John Mahama the fake ambulance fubiaba, Jimmy Omoboa. Sa tricycles were all the way in 2021, August 13th, 2021. And now the chief of staff received locally made tricycle ambulances. Chief of staff a Fremont Pare 2021 and a donate a ambulance with the NPP are buying. In fact, company no mo na a local company omo manufacture sa tricycles way. Enti omo manufacture tricycles no and Ekufuado are buying a chief of staff Fremont Pare di enim e ka se omo for tricycles ne mra. If you say tricycles no nobody call in crasito said your ambulance in your crampa a best supported the healthcare. Inti these ambulances are no. It is not new. It has been in existence. In fact, you can't abaya edisa ambulance we buy ya, sa tricycles we buy ya, a MPP. Now let's read the story. So we read this story now. These are the facts, and there's nowhere I will say I didn't know cranny seal. We read this story. This is the story. And mature 13th August and a daily graphic a release story no. Chief of staff and a J sa a tricycles no. A Fremont Opare. Almost say the chief of staff at the presidency, Mrs. Akosua Fremont Opare or say Opare, yesterday received 2 rural motor king tricycle ambulances from LK International Company Ghana Limited as proof of the company's production capacity. So all the way in 2021, and a company now almost our tricycles now, almost almost our tricycles are it is an ambulance now. The called Jubilee House, they call Fremont Pare G. Because that company the person Ekufuado buying say yes our tricycles we Ghana. You bet me using in Ketimu, I will be Keti say and say ambulance. Into Ekufuado abreso, but will be an Fremont Pare and Omotina Jubilee House, G tricycles way. Thank you, Mr. Business. MPP are buying chief of staff. Energy tricycles way. Thank you, team. Is there a video? Yeah, thank you. I'll share the video. It is already story in my daily graphic that this story we buy. Make sure they be a source ni free. Now, I'll say the donation was the company's symbolic appreciation of government support in enrolling it under the flagship One District One Factory program. Into under One District One Factory and a company be a normal tricycles. Yes, idea we can say, oh. Yeah, they brought a binding so who say, Sebio, Yenso, yet to me, Eden, yet Sanyoma will be our Ghana. Into John Mahama and Kofa tricycle beyond by say ambulance. And this are buying and Kofa tricycles beyond free beyond by say where your ambulance are and now Modiaba a tro a NPP4 abreso all the way back 2021. Now, Mamma Show again. Say, oh, check it so a year on one casa daily guide, Kwekubako, and the story net to or say, Chief of Staff receives locally made tricycle ambulances August 14th, 2021. Inti so big jina baby catch us say John Mahama kofa a tricycle sabasa ambulance or kwasia we Jimmy. The MPP as a political party no Jimmy. They don't have any message for you. Party no the atro and a chichire party no. There's nothing about the party interesting. Everything about the party is a lie. Whoever speaks for the party is a liar. The communicators are born liars. Into the party is not attractive. Now, so person who jandam no more now. This is the jandam.
Aboboyaa kaya wuhu isu. Ambulance John Dramani Mahama ato. Ediama no for esremu for say. Womumfa enfanko ayaresapia. Se obi hodo na wafasa ambulance na odiako. Nendie wo yare na ka obenante ana befa card yakono ko free ambulance we dia obedu wona wawu enti independence na moto aba edemaye no Aboboyaa ene pradia ambulance ana yedi amamo sa ambulance we hu okroma ye frɛ no kumi preko Mahama ambulance kill me.
This is the party omo person omo power. You see, enti JB Dankwa eka say they are the foolish masses. He wasn't wrong because he knows the level of intelligence or more on Jimmy. Now, the same story, Oba Ghana Web also reported on the same story. And yet, tricycles in here. Northern Development Authority procures 30 tricycle ambulances for health facilities. Northern Development Authority, NNA Sadano, and NPP Baomiamo ba ebe chendi ni din NDA, Northern Development Authority. Almost a company in Ghana eto 30 of the tricycles. Entire den ende John Mahama be the president. Na kwasi ababi ejimi for party bitimi tell say John Mahama kwakra ambulance tricycles aba. Echo ye kwasi a na obejedi. These are born foolish people. Ya womu jimimu. And nobody should give the NPP any chance to even talk to them. Speculative things no more. That is how the party was built. Nobody should believe this. Fremo pare, omo NDA, ekufuado abreso, and I'm going to say we buy. But omo ni message. They don't have any message. And omo say nipa omo di omo chino, dodo na Jimmy. And nintin omo ye omo sa. Omo say majority of omo di MPP omo ti abro chino, dodo na Jimmy, and it's a fact. So uti omo TikToker, omo ni toilet mumu wa pe. They are so stupid. Like people can use them like dogs because they are not willing to accept nokre and they are not willing to learn.
Kevin tell us let's kill Jandam. Yentimi for tro enje chiro on mine. Obetiri ambulance no. Party kwa omde buy date any time wa ambulance we e bagana awutiri mu say even a local company any this ambulances. And we do NPP are buying for their agenda 111 hospital and 1DF 1 this run factory no. And omo factory get me I this kind of ambulance or circulate across the country. But it is so interesting, say 2025 we are talking about Mahama we an ambulance we are started air trending. I just wonder because this ambulance this week an ambulance we me my first time me who with this ambulance. I am very much sure sir according to you the same thing. But I just wonder say about 2018 afena go viral and even this NDC National Youth Organization a video or can was material Mahama Diabana. I don't know names young people in the buy and answer day. What is your take and what is your view on this? Because I into the ego comment section. I hype Penyah Blog Media.